In the past 2 years, Razer has released a few more models for the iconic gaming laptop Blade 15, which eventually made this laptop one of the most powerful gaming laptops on the market. On the other hand, Alienware came out with the latest X15 version of the gaming laptop called the X15 R2, challenging the Razer Blade straight ahead with incredible gaming performance and internal specs. In today's video, we will be comparing both these premium gaming laptops head to head and find out which one performs the best. Design-wise, Razer Blade 15 has a very clean and thin chassis with a premium black matte finish. The glass trackpad is super responsive and it feels very nice to hover around with the fingertip. Also, the keyboard is slightly larger than the old version and it delivers a very satisfying tapping experience, including fully customizable chroma RGB lighting. Alienware, on the other side, has a very unique gaming design with sturdy white slim chassis. Underneath the hinge of the display, it has a really impressive LED light design which is more than enough to differentiate the X15 R2 design from the Blade 15. The highly responsive keyboard is also powered by RGB LED lighting and it gives users a superior tapping experience. Although the trackpad is a bit smaller than the Blade 15, it's still comfortable enough to control the whole interface with your fingertip. Both these laptops are extremely good gaming laptops, but design-wise, Alienware x15 R2 definitely looks better than the Razer Blade 15 with its stylish, silky gaming looks. As we move on to the connectivity options, the Blade 15 comes with an SD card slot, a Thunderbolt 4 connection with a single USB-A port along with one HDMI, and a Kensington unlock at the right panel. On the left panel, it has the power jack itself along with one Type-C port and a 3.5mm audio combo jack. For additional connectivity, Blade 15 also comes with a Gigabit Ethernet connection as well. Similarly, Alienware x15 R2 has huge connectivity options as well, but most of them are placed in the middle of the front cooling system. Here, you'll find one USB Type-A port with one Thunderbolt 4 along with one Type-C port, a microSD card slot, and an HDMI output. Moving on to the right panel, it has a global headset jack, and on the left panel, it has the power input itself. So, it's safe to say that none of these devices are left behind when it comes to external connectivity options. Now that we've learned about the design and connectivities, let's take a closer look at the display of both these laptops. The newer version of the Blade 15 comes with 1080p resolution and 360Hz refresh rate. With an ultra-high refresh rate and 2 millisecond response time, an immersive gaming experience is now possible anytime, any place. Additionally, the 4K OLED version of Blade 15 is also available with 240Hz refresh rate. In comparison, Alienware x15 R2 comes with 1440p resolution and 240Hz refresh rate. It also has a very low 2 millisecond response time just like the Blade 15. Although the X15 R2 does not have any OLED screens, the display is much brighter than the Blade 15 with 434 nits brightness. So gaming on this screen will surely be a breathtaking experience. So Razer Blade 15 and Alienware x15 R2 both have stunning visuals when it comes to display. But for an OLED display, Razer Blade 15 is still one step ahead. And if you want more brightness with more resolutions on your laptop, then Alienware x15 R2 should be your first choice. Both displays are incredible for stunning visuals, ultra-high refresh rates, and super low response time with crisp colors. But now, it's time to find out about the internal specs comparing both these gaming laptops and decide which one is the strongest. Let's start with the Blade 15 first. It has a 12th Gen Intel Core i9 processor with RTX 3080 Ti along with 32GB of DDR5 RAM and 1TB of SSD storage. Now, if you look at the Alienware x15 R2, this laptop is in no way left behind from the Blade 15. It also has the same specs as a newer version of Blade 15. A 12th Gen Intel Core i9 processor with RTX 3080 Ti graphics chip along with 32GB of DDR5 RAM and 1TB of SSD storage. So performance-wise, both these gaming laptops are absolutely monstrous gaming machines with top-notch internal hardware and specs. None of these laptops will disappoint you if your main focus is gaming. Both Razer Blade 15 and Alienware x15 R2 are amazing top-tier gaming laptops for sure. You really can't differentiate these laptops just by looking at the internal specs, but there are a few differences between these laptops which are significantly noticeable. For example, the display itself. Blade 15 offers an OLED display which x15 R2 does not have. On the other hand, the x15 R2 display looks much better in bright places. Similarly, Both these laptops' cooling systems are different. For optimal thermal performance, Blade 15 uses a vapor chamber cooling system to keep the system cool, and the X15R2 has a quad fan technology which provides maximum cooling for all the internal hotspots. In the end, which laptop is the best? That's completely up to our audience to decide, so let us know your opinion in the comment section down below. So, that was all about the comparison between Razer Blade 15 and Alienware x15 R2. Thanks for watching. If you found this video to be helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and comment below to let us know your thoughts. Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon if you want to see more videos like this on your feed.